Lady Bird Johnson was a trailblazer in environmentalism and social advocacy. Using her business acumen, she independently funded her husband's campaigns, a bold move for her era. As First Lady, she championed the Highway Beautification Act, turning America's roadsides into scenic landscapes with flowers and greenery. Her efforts earned her the nickname, the Environmental First Lady. Lady Bird's influence wasn't limited to nature. She was a strong supporter of the Civil Rights Act of 1964, using her platform to advocate for equality and justice. Her charm and diplomacy helped bridge divides during a time of significant social change.
Click below or follow C. Stu for more about our First Ladies.